Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your Google Chrome account. So to change your account, you're going to want to go up to where the letter is of your name, or it might be a picture if you have set it like that. So for me, I have the C, and all you have to do to change it is to go down to the bottom where it says sign out of all accounts, or if you don't want to sign out and you just want to switch, you can just click on a different account. So once you click on a different account, it will sign you in. As you can see, I am signed in with a different account. Now, let's say you want to sign out like the passwords per se. So like up at the top of the screen, you can still see I'm signed in up here. And I have sync on, so my passwords and everything is synced to this account. Now, if you're trying to make another account, it's a very simple option. It's actually right below that. It's right here, add. So once you add somebody, you can just sign in or continue without an account, and you can just type one in. Let's just say Burke. And you can change your theme right here. And done. So that's how you change accounts. And then at the top right hand of your screen, let's say you no longer need this account. All you have to do is go under your options right here, manage, and then to delete an account is the three dots right here next to it, and then delete. And it'll tell you what exactly is on here. As I just made it, there's nothing here. So just delete. So I hope this video helps you. Have a good day. Bye.